Sometimes we feel lost. We look left and right. We have so many thoughts in our head and we don't know where to go, where to look at. We want to be successful. We want to be the best versions of ourselves. We want to be happy. But then everything that we do, we don't know. We just don't know. We need guidance. We need someone to talk to. We need someone to tell us that everything is going to be okay. And at the same time, we don't want someone to tell us that. Here, with this makeup therapy, I'll try to help you in your journey to finding yourself back. Most of the times when we feel lost, it's because we have some expectations and the reality is completely different than what we expected. And we need to realize that not having what we want in life is not the end of it all. It's never too late to change. If we have some expectations and we don't achieve those things, we need to step back and just change. One of the good ways to do it is to have a journal where we have all of our deep thoughts, where when we feel that emptiness and when we don't know what to do, we don't know where to go, we just write our thoughts. It can be right, wrong, whatever, just everything that goes through your mind. One of the questions that a lot of us get lost into is when we ask ourselves, what is our purpose in life? What is my purpose in life? Then we're lost again because we don't know. And we need to know that it's okay to not know, because a lot of us just don't know. You'll find your purpose in life. You'll know it when you're at it. You don't run after finding your purpose. You just find it. You just see yourself impacting others, and it gives sense to ourselves. You don't go after someone and ask, I want to change your life. I want my purpose to be fulfilled, so I'll help you do something. Tell me what you want. No, you just be yourself and you find someone that by being yourself, you help them. A lot of people can tell us to forecast our life, to see in 10, 15 years what we want to do. And it can be so stressful, it can be so hard to do. One little thing that I can tell you to do is to analyze your past instead. Look at facts, what has happened, and then you might find things that you don't like, you don't want to do ever again, and trust me, it's a good start to know where you don't want to go. And you might find things that you like doing, that you stopped doing for some reasons, and by doing those things again, you find yourself. So look at what you've done. Look at old pictures, old videos. Talk to your old friends and tell them ask them questions. Or look at your old Facebook, your MySpace. You might find things that your true self used to do and stop doing. And that's the best way to find yourself again. To find who you truly are, to find what you like doing, to find things that you stopped doing that represented something important in your life. I hope this make you feel better. I'm here to tell you that you're not the only one lost right now. You're not the only one that don't know. even myself, while doing this video, I'm like, am I really doing this? Am I really doing my makeup while talking to you? In my head. We all go through it, and there's no quick answer, there's no universal answer. The only thing that you might find is tell yourself that you are not alone through this, and to be kind to yourself, to know that it's going to be okay and you're not the only one going through this, that there's no quick fix anyway, so you might just stay here and think. Analyze your past so you can better forecast your tomorrow. Makeup therapy can really help you deal with your emotions, do some self-reflection, and care about yourself. I recommend you do another therapy so I can see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. If this helped, you can always subscribe and you can share it with someone who needs it.